Welcome to Horion M3A Interactive Flat Panel introduction. Horion M3A with high LG resolution display, smooth handwriting, and easy video conference, which integrates projector, computer, and digital signage, and so on. M3A employ metal, bezel, and arc shaped with only one button at the side of body. Minimalist and aesthetic, such nice in place in the classroom or corporate boardrooms will absolutely boost the corporate taste. Okay, let's go to the whiteboard. See what we can do on the whiteboard. And you can write, and you can scribble, and you can draw like this. The color of brush and the stroke width are adjustable. We have 6 colors. As you can see right here, 6 colors. And also we have 4 stroke width options. And the color of background and the brush, the type, mode are adjustable as well. As you can see, the 6 color background, that's red, white, and this. And press more, you can insert any pictures you like as background. Like this. Let's get back to the green. Okay. M3A Interactive Flat Panel whiteboard application supports calligraphy writing, similar as autograph. Like this. You can write your name like this. And when you press this icon, and you can swipe right, clean the screen. Okay. And the more single points means one hand right on the whiteboard. And when you press multi-points, M3A supports maximum 10 points writing simultaneous, which means 10 hands can write on the whiteboard simultaneously, just like this. You should press the multi-points before you write, like this. It's very smooth and responsible. It's like in a meeting, you must have something very important you want to save during a meeting. Okay, we write on the whiteboard. The contents of writing can be saved in 3 ways. The first one is a scan QR code. It's a QR code. Just put up your phones and scan the QR code. The contents of the writing will be saved on your mobile phone immediately. The second method is USB disk. Just insert your USB disk in the back of the panel, and the content of writing can sit there. And the last method is email. Okay, let's get back to this area. As you can see, if there's no room to write on one page, don't worry about that. You have more than 99 pages. M3A supports 99 pages on the whiteboard. And this button, you can insert graph, geometric graph, like the line, the dash line, and the arrow, and the circle, rectangle, and triangle. Also, let's see, just this, like this. And the rectangle, like this. And also, you can insert image. Zoom in out and drag it anywhere you like. And then also, you can rotate the image smoothly, like this. quite simple. And then regarding the writing on the whiteboard, you can erase it directly with your hand or any objective stuff, or you can circle it to delete or duplicate it. And you can zoom in, out, and drag anywhere you like. And last, I'd like to introduce a very interesting and pragmatic applications designed by Horion Interactive. We call it one-screen dual display. This is on the applications I will never see on our competitors' products. Okay, call out the sidebar and press this icon. And you will see whiteboard here and application there, which means that you can write something here. Meanwhile, operate application, like you can open a browser or other applications. We usually use the one-screen dual display to do a campaign, like a vote. During a campaign in a meeting, you can enter the candidates, the number of candidates, for example, 3, and write the first one and the second one and the third one here. And after you write down the candidate's name on the whiteboard and press this icon, generates QR code, and everybody in a meeting put up their phones to scan QR code to do a selection. The results will come out on the screen, on the mobile phone and the screen rapidly after scanning the QR code. Okay, let's go to find what are in the Office. As we all know, Microsoft Office applications from PowerPoint, Word, Excel are popular, used in presentations in a meeting room, and M3A are compatible with Microsoft Office from PowerPoint to Excel file. Let's take a look at the PowerPoint how displayed on our M3A model. And press this icon, and might press the middle of the screen, and you can slide to select pages you like, for example. And this is very responsive and smooth. And also we can use our smart pen. As you can see, this is smart pen, and press the icon, the up, the down button to change the page up and down. It's useful, and like this. And press this icon. As you can see in the sidebar, this icon here, and press this icon. You can edit. You can edit the PowerPoints or other files anytime, any application scenarios like this. And the color of applications are adjustable: the blue, the red color, and the white color. The red and blue color. Similar as the whiteboard storage method, they are also straight with to see the contents of the application. The first one is whiteboard file and the USB disk, and the last one is scanning the QR code. And stroke widths are adjustable. They are also forced stroke widths for your reference. And M3A supports print directly. It means when you connect M3A board to your printers, about 90% printer brands are compatible with M3A. Press the print icon. Okay, let's get into the source. And what are in the source? As you can see, M3A have rich interface, VGA. HDMI, and 2 HDMI and a DP. These 4 slots is to transmit AV signals, and DP is upgrade slots to compared to HDMI. And OPS. As we know, recent the pandemic widely spread during the past months, and video conference have become more and more useful and popular during the past months. With OPS equal to a mainframe Windows 10, and you can attend a video conference. As we all know, most of video conferencing softwares like Zoom and Cisco WebEx are designed on the Windows system platform, and the M3A are compatible with those video conference software. Okay, how to do a video conference? Quite simple. Just insert OPS in the back of the panel and download any video conference software like Zoom and like Cisco, WebEx, and or Polycom. And equip, at the same time equip and Horion omnidirectional microphone and camera. You're gonna attend a video conference.
Even if you are on the other side of the world, you can easily experience face-to-face communication and highly efficient real-time information transmission. Make work easier and more convenient.
Okay, let's get in the screen mirror. We can also call it wireless casting. No matter Apple device, Android device, and the Windows OS, Mac OS, Chrome OS can display on the M3A Interactive Flat Panel wireless. Just following the instructions step by step. Connect the Wi-Fi and choose AirPlay or connect Wi-Fi. Download Android device need to download applications to do the wireless casting. Like this. M3A supports 2 Wi-Fi 30 signals setting, 2.4G and 5G. M3A supports maximum 4 devices, no matter Apple devices or Android devices. 4 devices displayed on the M3A simultaneously with wireless casting feature function. Let's have a look.
Little screen mirror device. 1-click sharing. 1-second screen sharing. Enjoy 2-way interaction between the IFP and your PC. It doesn't matter whether you use Android, iPhone, iPad, or computer. Everything can easily connect with the device, enabling screen sharing.
Okay, let's go to the last UI design, the more. As you can see, the applications on the more are designed by Horion tech team. Very useful, like the work kits, agenda time, welcome page, feedback, instruction, and so on, are designed by Horion tech team. It's very useful and pragmatic design applications. Let's go to the circuit. As you can see, Horion M3A supports more than 15 languages, not only English, also including Spanish, French, and Germany, and so on. So many languages. We have Japanese, Korean, and Vietnamese, and Spanish, and Russia, and Arabic. 15 languages are supported. Okay, let's get into, let me introduce the sidebar. Just call out, press this icon to call out the sidebar. As you can see, this is an arrow button to return to the recently used application. And the second is homepage. You all know that. And the fourth one is a portfolio icon. As you can see, many interesting design like a lock, and the scissors is screenshots. Press this icon and you can do the screenshots. Okay, this is work kits and go to setting. Because M3A equipped 2 by 15 watts stereo speakers. So the sound is very good. And the brightness of the board can be adjustable accordingly. And the fifth icon is annotation. And the last icon, press this icon, and you can select and you can retain and log out the recently used application.